Formula One is all about speed, skill, and smashing records. But some records are so incredible that they've never been broken, standing tall against time, rule changes, and new technology. Today, we're diving into the 10 oldest F1 records that are still unbeaten. 1. Fastest lap in an F1 race 2004. Michael Schumacher's 125 lap at Monza in 2004 remains untouched. Even with all the advancements in aerodynamics and tires, no one has gone faster in an official race lap. 2. Oldest world champion, 1957. Juan Manuel Fangio won his 5th title at 46 years old. In today's era, with younger and younger drivers entering the sport, it's unlikely we'll ever see a champion this old again. 3. Longest time. Between race wins, 1967 to 1972. Bruce McLaren took 5 years to win again. In a sport where careers are often short, this record has stood for over 50 years. 4. Most races. Before a first win, 1962. It took Riccardo Patrese 123 races before finally winning. Drivers today either win early or lose their seat, making this a tough record to beat. 5. Most pole positions in a season, 1992. Nigel Mansell took 14 poles in a single season. Even dominant drivers like Hamilton and Verstappen haven't managed to break that. 6. Most consecutive front row starts, 1998 to 2000. Mika Häkkinen started from the front row 36 times in a row. That level of consistency is nearly impossible today with how competitive the grid is. 7. Fastest average race speed, 2003. Michael Schumacher again. At Monza, he averaged 247.5 kilometers per h for the entire race. The modern cars, despite being fast, don't reach such speeds due to regulations. 8. Longest time. Between two podiums, 1950 to 1958. Jack Brabham had to wait 8 years between podiums. With modern driver turnover, it's hard to imagine someone sticking around that long without frequent success. 9. Most laps led in a season, 2004 Schumacher again, leading 1,366 laps in one season. Even Red Bull's dominance today doesn't match that level of control. 10. Smallest winning margin, 1971. Peter Gethin won the Italian GP by just 0.01 seconds. Modern F1 has close finishes, but this one has yet to be beaten. These records prove that F1 isn't just about the future, it's built on an incredible past. Will any of these ever be broken? Let me know in the comments.